As in all my videos, the first step is setting up indicators for trading market type candles, time frames 1 minute, nothing new my friends, and in the indicator section I include a Keltner channel and stochastic oscillator. And I'm sure that a lot of people have already used or know these indicators, but it's too early to draw conclusions because the method of work will be changed, and I think few people know about some of the secrets of these tools. In a Keltner channel indicator you need to enter this number 16, 14, and 2. In order, my friends, please do not confuse. In the style settings, I will make the entire indicator in yellow colors and play a little with the pixels of this line so that everything looks brighter and more convenient for analysis, and I advise you to do the same to completely repeat my actions. In the stochastic indicator, you need to enter these numbers 8, 2, 2 in an SMA format, and also change all the style settings to yellow colors so that the stop looks correct, beautiful, and no details distract our attention. Of course, friends, color adjustment is not most important thing, but I recommend everyone to do everything step by step as I do to understand everything the first time. And now that the whole setup is ready, I want to start looking for the first situations and try. I don't want to waste a lot of time, so I take a chance and open my first trade for the entire amount of my balance is $50, and I think the candles on this chart will grow higher. I think now is the best time to open this trade, so let's wait for the result and talk about its strategy. Okay, the time for my trade is 2 minutes. According to this strategy, I will open all trades today for 2 minutes. That's my main rule. Okay, this method for finding in open signals works in 3 steps. The first step is the Keltner channel indicator, the second step is the stochastic oscillator indicator, and the third step is the entry point. And let me explain each step in more detail. Firstly, the Keltner channel should break. Candles should break the channel and try to go beyond the bottom of this indicator. This can happen quickly and strongly, or slowly and weakly. It doesn't matter, my friends. The main thing is to get a fact that its channel is broken by candles. Okay, the second step is the stochastic line that should completely duplicate a moment of candles and get in a danger zone from below or above. In this case, the line got in a danger zone from below, as well as candles broke the Keltner at the bottom of the channel, and the moment it's duplicated, so everything is fine. And the third step is the entry point, my friends. I opened my trade only after all this had already happened, and the candles returning back to the Keltner channel and the reversal moment began. In general, these are the 3 most important steps that you need to find and check to open a trade, but stop, my friends. Yes, stop. This is the base of the strategy. These are the basic rules. If right now you got to try to trade in this way, you can lose a lot of money because a lot of these a few more very important factors that you need to know, and I will tell you about them in the following signals. In this situation, I finally take a profit. It's $37 of net profit, and my first trade is successful. Yeah, that's very good. Let's move on. This is my second trade. I increased the amount and take another risk and take more profit. In this example, the situation is different from the past because as you can see, the Keltner channel is almost not broken here. And such situations also works well. Yeah, my friends, you can use such situations, but only if some conditions are met. Firstly, as I say, one of the basic rules at the beginning of the reversal of moment of candles. If you have found a similar situations, are not sure what it worth trying to work here or not, I advise you to be patient and wait for the candles to go in your direction. And only if you are completely sure that a such moment went right, you can try to open a trade. In my example, the moment has already begun. It's a very good signal, and I also see that the stochastic line gives a very good signal. The line has hit a danger zone and is starting to fall. But even in such situations, any of you can lose a lot of money. So let me tell you another secret to get even more profit. Nothing new, my friends. The right choice of a currency pair. It sounds stupid? Yeah, it sounds very stupid, but choosing the right pattern of candles will allow you to avoid a loss. I will say briefly and in simple words. You need to look for currency pairs in which there are very few moments when a Keltner channel is broken. You need to smooth and stable currency pairs, where there have been no such moments in the last 20 minutes or such moments were very weak. You will get more profit on such candle pattern than on super sharp and strange jumping currency pair. My subscribers and I tested this over a long distance, and I'm serious. Yeah, my friends, I'm serious. Stable currency pairs will give more profitable signals. Yeah, another $64 net profit. The situation is also going in my way, and I think I need to stop. My trade signal today, I open a trade to increase for 2 minutes. I have already drawn everything so that it will be more convenient for you. And in general, there is a similar situation here. Candles are going up, all indicators give a good signal, and I did it at a very good point. Yeah, my friends, my entry point is very good. The candles have already turned around and a reverse moment has begun, so I did it not waste time and open this trade. I have more than $200 on my balance right now. The stochastic line is starting to get out of danger zone and move higher. This is a very good signal for me. And in general, I like this situation, so I try to work here. The amount is $60. The trade time is 2 minutes as usual. Let's wait for result together. In general, I tell you almost all the tips and secrets about this method, 3 basic steps and some details for more profitable signals. But I didn't tell you about the most important problem of all traders. Almost everyone who will watch this video will think that I am giving a working instructions how to become a millionaire, and these 2 indicators will make you rich, but this is not true, my friends. Yeah, indicators and strategy can give profit to absolutely everyone, and half of people will earn a lot of money after this video, and half may lose deposits, and this has to be a real story. Strategy and indicators are not a key to a rich life. It's only a tool and a system for your work. So in the right hands, the strategy will work, in a gambling hands, the strategy will take money away. Therefore, your task is to train, my friends. Train, practice, and find the best combination of actions for yourself on how to work with this strategy. I work with a time frame of 1 minute. You can work with a time frame of 5 minutes and make the results even better. You can work with a time frame of 20 minutes and make the results even better. Therefore, you will earn with that strategy if you gain experience and constantly develop. That's how it works with each strategy, and you need to remember it, my friends. Just trade more, test even more, be patient, and look for mistakes. It's very funny, my friends. It's very funny, but I started talking about it on a losing signal. Really, I'm losing money here, my $60, but I don't care. Yeah, it's bad, but I'm sure I found signals even better right now and get everything back. You have to think the same. You have to think the same, so practice is your way to money. Yeah, my friends, the signal is fake. I lost my $60, but it's not scary. Okay, friends, this is my final signal today. In the last little Wich, I lost $60 because the candles went against me, but I hope that here I will be able to return the loss and earn a little more. Let's just wait for result and summarize. I just throw everything so that each of you can see all the details of this strategy once again, and let's go. Yeah, my friends, $250 on my balance. This is a very good result. I have increased my initial deposit 5 times. Therefore, now is the time to take a break. Okay, friends, I gave you a lot of important tips. I hope this will help you grow your trading accounts. This strategy really works, as you can see. So I wish everyone good luck. I hope this method will give you a lot of profit and your trading sessions will be good.